Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. Hope you all are enjoying these summer days by having ice creams, right? But children, do not forget to drink water. Drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water in a day. You can also drink coconut water, you can have watermelon, or you can have juicy fruits. You can also have fruit juices. Okay, so drink all those things and keep your body hydrated. Now children, in our previous classes we have learned cursive writing from A to U, right? And I know that you all know how to write cursive capital A to U and cursive small letter A to U. So can you guess in our today's class what we are going to learn? Who can tell me? Yes, very good. Today we are going to learn V, W, X, Y and Z. Today I'll show you how to write cursive capital and small letter V, W, X, Y and Z. So children, please follow me. Dear children, at the top corner of your copy, write today's date and write CW. Then on the heading, write cursive writing. Please read with me everyone. C-U-R, cur. S-I-V-E, sieve, cursive. W-R-I, rye. T-I-N-G, ting, writing. Cursive writing. Now children, can you tell me which alphabet is this? Good. It's capital V. And this one? Very good. It's small letter V. So this one is capital V and this one is small letter V. Now I will show you how to write them. For writing V, this is our starting point. This second line is our starting point. From here we will write V. From here we will go up to the red line, then we will come down to the blue line. Again we will go up to the red line, then we will join and we will write small letter V within these two blue lines. In this way we will write V. Again I am showing you, please follow. This is our starting point. From here we will go up to the red line, we will touch the red line, we will come back down to the third line, then again we will go up to the red line. From here we will join and we will write small letter V within these two lines. Again I repeat, all of you please follow. This is our starting point. From here to here, then we will come down. Within these two blue lines, we will write V. So children, I hope that you all have understood how to write V. Now children, can you tell me? V is for what? V for? Very good. V for vase. V for vase. And can you tell me children, what do we keep in the vase? Very good. We keep colorful flowers in the vase. Now children, tell me V sounds. Very good. V sounds V. V sounds V. Now I will show you how to write this alphabet. Now tell me children, which alphabet is this? Very good. Capital letter W. And this one is small letter. Now have a look. For writing W, this is our starting point. This second line is our starting point. From here we will go up to the red line, then we will come down to the blue line. Again we will go up, we will touch the red line, we will come back down to the blue line. Again we will go up, then from here we will join and we will write small letter W within these two blue lines. Hope you have understood. Again I am showing all of you, please follow it properly. This is our starting point. From here we will go up, we will come down, again we will go up, again come down, again we will go up, then we will join for writing small letter W. Again all of you please follow. From here we will start writing. This is capital letter W and this one is small letter W. Now children, tell me, W for? Very good. W for watch. W for watch. And tell me children, W sounds? Good. W sounds W. W sounds W. Now let me show you how to write this alphabet. Can you tell me which alphabet is this? Very good. It's X, capital letter X and small letter x. Now please follow me. For writing X, this is our starting point. From here, we will go up to the red line, we will touch the red line, we will come down to the blue line. Then we will again go up to the red line, then we will come down to the blue line, then we will join for writing X. We will write X within these two blue lines. Again all of you follow. For writing X, this is our starting point. From here, we will touch the red line, we will come down, then again we will go up to the red line, we will touch it, we will come down, then we will join for writing X, small letter X within these two blue lines. Again all of you follow. This is our starting point. From here, we will go up to the red line, we will come back down, then again we will go up, again we will come back down, then we will join for writing small letter X. Hope you have understood how to write X. Now children, can you tell me, X stands for? Very good. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Or we can say X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Okay. Now children, tell me, what is the sound of X? Good. The sound of X is S. S. Right? Now I will show you how to write this alphabet. Can you recognize this alphabet? Good. It's Y. It's Y. This is capital Y and this one is small letter y. Now for writing capital Y, this is our starting point. From here we will go up to the red line, we will come down, then we will write this, we will go up, then again we will come down to the last red line, then we will join for writing small letter Y. Again I repeat, we will start from second line, we will go up to the red line, then we will come down to the second blue line, then again we will touch the red line, then we will come down, we will touch the second red line, then we will join and write Y, small letter Y. Again all of you follow. Please follow my hand how I am writing, and follow the lines. I will request all of you to follow the lines. Okay? Now children, tell me, Y stands for? Y for? Good. Y for yak. Y for yak. And can you tell me Y sounds? Good. Y sounds y. Y sounds y. Now let me show you how to write capital letter. Tell me. Z. Very good. Now I will show you how to write capital Z and how to join and write small letter z. Please follow. For writing capital Z, this is our starting point. From here, we will go up to the red line. Then in this middle, we will come and we will stop. Then again we will start writing. We will come down to the red line. Then we will join for writing small letter z. This one is small letter z. So children, I hope you have understood. All of you please follow it again. This is our starting point. We will go up to the red line. In the middle we will stop. Then again we will come down to this red line. Then we will join for writing small letter z. Children, again all of you follow. This is starting point. This one is small letter z. First one is capital Z and the second one is small letter z. Now children, please follow the lines properly. Whenever you will write cursive, please maintain the proper line for writing cursive. Hope you have understood. Now children, tell me, Z stands for? Z for? Good. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Now tell me, Z sounds? Good. Z sounds Z. Z sounds Z. So children, I hope that you have understood how to write V, W, X, Y and Z in cursive. So I have done these 3 lines for you. The rest of the lines you will do it as your homework. Okay? So this is all for today. Bye bye and have a nice day.